Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by removing loose paint and corrosion. Use a wire brush or 80-120 grit sandpaper until the surface feels uniformly rough. Once done, wipe with acetone or denatured alcohol. This removes oil so enamel bonds. Make sure to dry fully and mask surrounding areas with 1/4 painter's tape, because overspray ruins jobs. You're preparing the metal to accept primer evenly, which reduces peeling and improves gloss retention over time. You now prime and control viscosity. Spray or brush 1-2 thin coats of metal-specific primer rather than one heavy coat, because thinner coats cure evenly and avoid runs. Once tacky, sand with 220-320, grit to remove dust nibs and promote adhesion. Make sure to thin enamel according to the label. Typically 10-20% solvent for spray guns, and test spray on scrap metal to verify flow and coverage before committing to the piece. You finish by applying 2-3 thin enamel top coats, maintaining 10-20 minute flash times for solvent release. Spray in steady passes and overlap by 50% for uniform coverage. Once applied, let the paint cure away from dust for 24-72 hours so solvents evaporate and hardness develops. If you see orange peel or runs, let the finish dry at least 24 hours, wet sand lightly, then recoat. This rescue keeps adhesion while avoiding full strip and redo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.